Hi, this is Ramanuja from Gayatri Mantra Interiors. We have two showrooms, one in Manikonda, another in Bodupal. We have been in this field last 10 years, having served more than 1,000 customers. Our experience with SLIDO has been good enough. The support extended by the team SLIDO to Gayatri Mantra Interiors was immeasurable. When it comes to a product line, we only prefer SLIDO as an first option, though there are several nearest competitive brands, because we like the product and customer is liking the product. Customers are so happy after installation, feeling the smoothness and the operation and the hardware, the settings. So we have been getting repeated customers. The complaint ratio when it comes to execution is barely negligible. And when it comes to a finishing, we have been so happy. The company contributed immeasurable support. We heartily thank the team SLIDO for the support extended to us, and we are looking forward for the great business to be achieved ahead in coming days.